Let there be a small country with few people. The people could enjoy making things with their hands, and they could value their home and community so much that they do not feel the need to travel far away. Although they have boats and carriages, they do not feel the need to use them. And although there are weapons and arms, they do not feel the need to display them. Let the people again knot cords for writing or memory. Let them enjoy good food and simple clothing, and take pleasure in their family and friends, and delight in the activities of their community. And although the next community is so close that you can hear the cocks crowing and the dogs barking, the people would be content to live long and die naturally without ever wanting to go and see it.